Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Miriam Gundan, 35 years old. I'm single. I am from Ginaang Corner, Apayao. I have four sisters and three brothers. I am a second child in the family, and I am a high school graduate. My working experience here in the Philippines, the main duties is cleaning the house, washing clothes, ironing, cooking, and taking care the three children, age of 10, 4, and 2. My future employers, please choose and hire me. I'm a good person, loyal, honest, and hardworking. I am willing to learn and follow your instruction, role, and regulations. I will do my best to serve your family and teaching them as my own. I want to go in Hong Kong because I need to help my parents. So mom and sir, please choose me as your future helper. Thank you and God bless.